on, dudes? It's Zebrod here, back with another video, where today, as you might be able to tell, we are playing Pixelmon with my good friend, Sheepy2000. Say hi. Yay, hi. Okay, yeah, so, guys, what's up, guys? We are here, doing Pokemon battle. Guys, if you enjoy these Pokemon battles, then smack that like button and be sure to subscribe if you're new, and we'll be back in... Oh my... Sheepy caught a Raichu. Good for her. Okay, so we'll do more of them. And I was thinking, if you guys like this, we'll do an evolution battle thing. So so Sheepy, throw it at the center of the the center of the Pokeball. Sorry guys, my Pokeball drawing is not very good. So throw it at the center of the Pokeball. Okay, that didn't work, huh? Okay, let me do it. Okay, TSD5K and Sheepy2000 is accept. Okay, you initiated a battle with Sheep. Okay, good. Okay, good. Well, fight. Let's fight. Oh, wait. Did you... It's super effective. Oh. Fight. I might actually lose this. No. Okay, Ancient Power. Oh! Whoa! My God! I just took down almost half her health. Oh my God! Oh no, I hope I don't die from this. Okay, let's use Discharge. Yes! Yes! Moltres fainted. Huh. Yes! That's nice. I beat Sheep in round 1. Oh my God, I have to defeat the Raichu now? Okay, yeah, this is, I guess, it. So Sheepy gets 2 Pokemon since I'm a little better than her. Let's do it. Can I one-hit her? Can I one-shot? Can I one-shot? One-shot. One-shot. Oh, so close. Dang it. Huh? My defense was... Oh, no. Okay, so let's just do some light screen. I don't even know what that... It didn't even do anything. But, I mean... Okay, let's do Ancient Power again, just to finish Raichu off. Oh, yeah. Okay, Raichu's gone. I think we have to fight Charmander now. Okay. Okay, so we're using Charmander. Charmander. Okay. So let's just fight. Let's do Ancient Power since it's only level 14. I killed Charmander. Effective. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this short little Pokemon battle video, then smack that like button down below and be sure to subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye!